Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are good. So, if you remember, in our last two videos, we have done the sound of vowel A and the sound of vowel E, right? So, the sound of vowel A is A and the sound of vowel E is A. So, today in this video, we will learn about sound of vowel I. Do you remember in our phonic sound video, what is the sound of vowel I? Yes, the sound of vowel I is E, right? So, let's start the video. I, N. The phonic sound of I is E and the phonic sound of N is N, right? E, N, N. E, T, E, T, it, E, P, E, P, ip. The phonic sound of I is E and the phonic sound of G is J, right? E, J, E, J, egg. E, T, E, T, id. E, P, E, P, ib, and the last E, M, M. So, let's see what are the words who made with IN, right? B-I-N, bin. B-I-N, bin. B-I-N, bin. P-I-N, pin. The phonic sound of P is per and the phonic sound of I-N is N. So, if we will combine these two words phonic sound, it will create pin. 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 T-I-N. Tin. T-in. Tin. W-I-N. Win. W-in. W-in. Win. S-I-N. Sin. Phonic sound of S is S, right? In. In. Sin. F-I-N, fin. The phonic sound of F is fur and the phonic sound of I-N is N. So, fur-in, that is fin. Now, we will move to the second one. I-T, E-T. The phonic sound of this letter is it. B-it, B-it. Bit, B-I-T, bit. B-it, B-it. Pit. P-I-T, pit. The phonic sound of H is her and the phonic sound of I-T is it. So, her, it. Her, it. H-I-T, it. W-I-T, wit. Wa-it. W-I-T, wit. Phonic sound of S is S and the phonic sound of I-T is it. So, S-I-T, sit. Sit, right? F-I-T, fit. The phonic sound of F is fur and the phonic sound of I-T is it. So, if we will combine those letters, it will create the sound fit, that is fit. Fit. F-I-T, fit. Now, third one. I-P, ip. I-P, E-P. D-I-P, dip. D-ip, dip. T-I-P, tip. The phonic sound of T is T and the phonic sound of I-P is ip. So, tip. H-I-P, hip. Ha, hip. H-I-P, hip. L-I-P, lip. L-I-P, lip, right? S-I-P, sip. Sip, sip. R-I-P, rip. The fourth one, E-G. Phonic sound of I is E and the phonic sound of G is G. If you will combine, it will create the sound I-G, that is ig. B-ig, big. P-ig, pig. P-I-G, pig. D-ig, D-I-G, dig. V-ig, W-I-G, wig. F-ig, F-I-G, fig. J-ig, J-I-G, jig, right? Now we will see the fifth one, that is E-D. E-D, id. Okay? B-I-D, bid. Bid, bid. D-I-D, did. H-I-D, hid. K-I-D, kid. L-I-D, lid. And R-I-D, read. The sixth one, E-P. The phonic sound of B is B and the phonic sound of I is E. E-B. The phonic sound of B is B, right? B-ib. B-ib, that is bib. B-I-B, bib. The phonic sound of R is R and the phonic sound of I-B is ib. So if we will combine, it will create the sound rib. R-I-B, rib. And the last one, F-I-P. F-I-P. Fib. F-I-B, fib. The last one is E-M. Phonic sound of I is E and the phonic sound of M is M. So it will create the sound M. H-I-M. H-I-M. H-I-M, him. R-I-M, rim. So student, I hope this is clear to you. Now we will revise it one more time with the help of the flip, split. Okay, flip slips, right? So first we will see the first letter, that is I-N. N. Okay? See, B-I-N, bin. P-I-N, pin. T-I-N, tin. S-I-N, sin. W-I-N, win. F-I-N, fin. D-I-N, din. And K-I-N, kin. Right? Now the second one, I-T, it. F-I-T, fit. H-I-T, hit. L-I-T, lit. P-I-T, pit. S-I-T, sit. W-I-T, wit. B-I-T, bit. And last, K-I-T, kit. Now the third one, this is I-P, ip. Okay? D-I-P, deep. H-I-P, hip. L-I-P, lip. S-I-P, sip. T-I-P, tip. Z-I-P, zip. R-I-P, rip. Okay? Now we will see the fourth one, that is I-G, egg. The first one. B-I-G, pig. Sorry. D-I-G, dig. F-I-G, fig. W-I-G, wig. P-I-G, pig. Z-I-G, zig. J-I-G, jig. And R-I-G, rig. Okay? Now we will see this one. This sound is I-D, id. B-I-D, bid. D-I-D, did. H-I-D, hid. K-I-D, kid. L-I-D, lid. R-I-D, rid. Now this one. B-I-B, bib. F-I-B, fib. And the last one, R-I-B, rib. Now here is the last one. We will do this one also. The first one is, T-I-M, dim. H-I-M, him. And the last, R-I-M, rin. So I hope by this method you all understand the sound of vowel I, and also I hope you all remember the sound of vowel A and the sound of vowel E. So keep revising sound of vowel A and the sound of vowel E and the sound of vowel I. Till then, Stay at your home, be safe and keep learning. Bye.